Hi, my name's Elise and I'm on the team at HydroSilk. We are just thrilled at how many of you love our new wax products, and I'm here to address your most frequently asked questions. The first question is, how do you remove hair with the sugar wax roller and the sugar wax wand? For best results, the hair should be at least 2 to 5 millimeters long. Think of the length of a grain of rice. If your hair is very dense or very long, trim before waxing. For the most effective hair removal results, make sure to only apply a thin layer of wax to the skin. A good test is to make sure you can still see your hair through the wax. Once you've applied your thin layer of wax, you want to apply the strip in the direction of your hair's growth and massage it in that same direction for 2 to 3 seconds. This ensures the wax makes the proper contact with the strip. Lastly, the strip should be pulled rapidly, parallel to the skin and in the opposite direction of the hair's growth. Make sure to use your opposite hand to hold the skin taut while pulling. Our next most frequently asked question is, how are the strips reusable on the sugar wax roller and the sugar wax wand? The strips are reusable because after a waxing session, you can rinse the hair and the wax off the strip with warm water, air dry it, and use it again. During a waxing session, a strip can be used 3 to 4 times before losing its adhesiveness. And lastly, make sure you only use one side of the strip during a waxing session, as you need a clean side to massage the wax onto the skin. And the last question that we've received a lot is, how do I prevent my roller from making a mess? Your roller is really not supposed to be messy, so here are a few tips to prevent that from happening. First, make sure you're following the directions on your instruction page to make sure you have the proper consistency of your sugar wax. The ideal consistency of the sugar wax is similar to honey. It is thick enough not to drip, but liquid enough to provide a smooth, comfortable glide onto the skin. Next, and I can't stress this enough, do not squeeze your roller bottle when you're applying your wax. As long as you gently slide the roller over your skin, you'll get an even wax layer and prevent the roller from creating pools of wax. And lastly, between wax applications, make sure to store your roller face down on the clear plastic cap. This will control dripping and allow for a smooth flow of wax for your next application. I hope I was able to answer your top questions on our new wax products. Feel free to reach out to us on social if you have any more. Enjoy your wax!